Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the question answers from page number 28 and 29, lesson number 4. Let's see the first one, reading comprehension. Number these sentences in the order in which the events occur in the story. So this is what you have to arrange according to the story as it took place, or as we have studied or read in the book. So also we need to arrange all these sentences, okay, which are given here and there. So let's see the first one. It was a warm and bright Sunday. So that is the first one, because we see right from page number 27, it is there. It was a warm and bright Sunday. Said that was the beginning. Okay, so we'll write number 1 first, as it is given. It was a warm, bright Sunday. It was a warm, bright Sunday. Then number 2 is Tom and his cousin wanted to go for a swim. So Tom and his cousin wanted to go for a swim. So that will be the number 2. So this way you have to arrange all these sentences as it happened or took place in the story. Now let us move on to question number B. Answer these questions. The first one, how did Tom plan to spend the morning? How did Tom plan to spend the morning? So, what was his planning? Okay, how did he plan to spend the whole morning? Let's see. Tom had planned to spend the morning. Tom had planned to spend the morning by swimming in the cool water bodies with his friends. So this is what he thought of doing in the morning. So Tom planned, okay, or Tom had planned to spend the morning by swimming in the cool water bodies with his friends. So this was his plan. Number 2, what did Aunt Polly want Tom to do? So what did Aunt Polly want, okay, Tom to do it? So Aunt Polly wanted that Tom should do something. So what was that? Let's see. So Aunt Polly wanted Tom to whitewash the fence. So let me repeat the answer once more. Aunt Polly wanted Tom to whitewash the fence. So that is question number 2. Let us now move on to question number 3. Why did Tom become sad? Why did Tom become sad? So what were the reasons? What were some kind of difficulties or the problems that made him feel sad? So what was there? Let's see. Tom became sad because he had to complete whitewashing the fence before he goes out anyway. So this was the order, this was the instruction given by his own aunt. Let me repeat once more. Tom was sad, or Tom became sad because he had to complete whitewashing the fence before he goes out anyway. So strictly, Aunt Polly told him not to go out of the house, not to go anywhere, not to have any kind of planning before he completes whitewashing the fence. So if you want, okay, you can write on your own also, but make sure, okay, this point must be there in your answer. Let us now move to question number 4. A brilliant idea came to his mind. A brilliant idea came to his mind. Explain what the brilliant idea was. So what was the brilliant idea that came to Tom's mind the moment he started whitewashing the fence? And then after some time he looked up the fence to see how much time it will be taking, and the length and white. He was much worried, and that moment he saw his friend Ben Roger coming. Now let's see what was the idea. That time an idea came into his mind. This idea is, now listen, a brilliant idea of Tom was to get his work done by his friend Ben Rogers. So a brilliant idea of Tom was to get his work done by his friend Ben Rogers, and in the meantime he will see it or do or have some fun. So remember this. So this is the brilliant idea which came to his mind. Number 5. What did Ben give Tom in exchange for a chance at whitewashing? So Ben was given something. So what? Oh no, Ben gave Tom something. So what is that something? In exchange for a for a chance at whitewashing. So let's see. What did Tom give? What did Ben give to Tom? Ben gave Tom a juicy red apple in exchange for a chance at whitewashing. So you need to remember this one. Ben gave a juicy red apple to whom? Ben gave Tom a juicy red apple in exchange for a chance at whitewashing. So remember that answer. Let's now go on to number 6. What happened before the afternoon was over? So what happened there? Let's write the answer from the book itself. It says, before the afternoon was over, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. So before the afternoon was over, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. So I think this is understood. If you have any kind of clarifications or any kind of doubts with regards to the answer, you can ask me. And remember, you are supposed to do 2 questions from here, question number A and B in the copy. So thank you, children.